Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This week in class, because it's the first week of 2026, we've been talking a little bit about New Year's resolutions and looking back at what we've achieved or failed to achieve over the last 12 months. One of my students told me that almost exactly a year ago she set up her own business. She set up a small language school. And obviously, in the current climate, this isn't easy. There's Russia's war on Ukraine going on, there's economic crises, political crises around the world. But despite all of this, and against all odds, her school has been going great guns. If you say that something is going great guns, you mean that it's doing really well, it's being successful, and often doing this at speed. So you might say, for example, the firm's going great guns at the moment. We're expanding into new markets at pace. Or maybe one of your kids has started working recently and a friend asks you, hey, how's your daughter getting on at work? She's going great guns actually. She's up for promotion next month. And as many of you may know, I'm a lifelong supporter of Arsenal Football Club, and currently we're in one cup final. We're 6 points clear at the top of the Premier League, and without wishing to jinx things, going great guns. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use going great guns.